Are you ready? It's time for fun! Welcome to TuiyyaPop! Is the tiger big or small?
Big!
Yes, exactly right. Is the fox big or small?
Small!
Yes! Exactly right!
Is the hippo big or small?
Big!
Yes, exactly right. Is the snail big or small?
Small!
Yes, exactly right. Is the elephant big or small?
Big!
Yes, exactly right. Is the mouse big or small?
Small!
Yes, exactly right.
Is the giraffe big or small?
Big!
Yes, exactly right.
Is the raccoon big or small?
Small!
Yes, exactly right. Is the moose big or small?
Big!
Yes, exactly right. Is the deer big or small?
Small!
Yes, exactly right. Is the lion big or small?
Big!
Yes, exactly right. Is the meerkat big or small?
Small!
Yes, exactly right. Is the crocodile big or small?
Big!
Yes, exactly right. Is the frog big or small?
Small!
Yes, exactly right.
Is the bear big or small? Big! Yes, exactly right.
Is the squirrel big or small?
Small!
Yes, exactly right.
Is the rhino big or small? Big! Yes, exactly right. Is the hedgehog big or small?
Small!
Yes, exactly right.
Is the gorilla big or small?
Big!
Yes, exactly right. Is the monkey big or small?
Small!
Yes, exactly right. Is the zebra big or small?
Big!
Yes, exactly right.
Is the snake big or small?
Small!
Yes, exactly right.
That was great learning. You are so smart.
If you want to learn more, subscribe!
See you next time on TuiyyaPop.